Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to join Airdrop on Binance. Participating in airdrops on Binance can be a great way to receive free tokens or cryptocurrency. First is to create and verify your Binance account. If you do not already have an account, sign up on Binance website or application. Some airdrops require you to have your account verified. Instead, you complete the KYC process if necessary. Second step is to stay up to date on airdrops. Regularly check the Binance announcement page for news and about upcoming airdrops. You can also follow social media on platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and Telegram for real-time updates on airdrop and promotion. Each airdrop may have a specific requirement for participation, such as holding a certain cryptocurrency or trading volume. Review the details carefully to see if you meet the criteria. For some airdrops, you may need to register separately. Follow the instruction provided on the announcement. Some airdrops distribute tokens based on the amount of particular cryptocurrency you hold in your Binance account at a specific time. Certain airdrop may require you to complete tasks like following social media accounts, sharing posts, or referring friends. After the airdrop concludes, the token will typically be distributed automatically to your Binance wallet. You will receive a notification or update confirming the deposit. Participating in airdrops can be an exciting way to expand your cryptocurrency portfolio, but it is essential to stay informed and exercise caution. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.